Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you. If you make that simple mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Chrysler 300, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2024. If you need to find, guys, where your heater fuses are located, which fuses you need to check, we'll be checking in different fuse boxes, multiple fuse boxes. We'll explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So guys, before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, that way we can keep making these free videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff, guys. And if you need to buy cheap parts and tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below. Guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So guys, the heater fuses, where you can expect to find them, guys. Multiple fuses will need to be checked. Now, quick reminder, most people that own that generation Chrysler 300 do not know about all their fuse boxes, where they're located. We recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Chrysler 300. What you guys need to do first, open the hood, and under the hood, facing the engine, on the left side here, you have a fuse box. That's the passenger side. Press these two tabs, open the cover, and you're going to find the fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, you pull the fuse. I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time, and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So guys, which fuses we need to check? 2 fuses needs to be checked in this fuse box, then we need to go to a different one and check 3 more. Let's zoom in. Please guys, make sure you stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you, that way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. Coming in this row here, that's fuse 9, 10, 11, 12. Fuse number 12 will need to be checked. Then you need to check fuse number 39 right here. Then open the trunk. In the trunk, that's the bottom of the trunk, leave that carpet liner up. On the back side you will find your spare tire and the car battery. Behind the car battery here you have a fuse box. Now that's a closer look. That's the car battery here. Guys, this is the spare tire, this is the fuse box. Press that tab, open the cover. And underneath you have a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Here we need to check fuse number 15 and fuse number 53. Right there. Also, we need to check one more, but let me open a little bit different angle so you can see it better. You see that row of fuses, that's 31. The next one, that blue, that's very not so visible, it's barely visible right here. That's fuse 32. That will be the one that you will need to check, guys, as well. So guys, that generation Chrysler 300 has all kinds of different size of fuses, guys. You can see different fuses, relays. That's the engine fuse box, that's the trunk fuse box. Those could be really hard to find, some of them, guys. And if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a replacement, you cannot get one, you may be stuck, guys. So we will recommend to buy some, put in the glove box for peace of mind. Keep some spare ones. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video was helpful, guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time.